Okay, today I'm taking a look at the WORKPRO 32-piece combination wrench set. Look at that. So first thing, that is a ton of wrenches. Second thing, this is actually a really nice little case. Most of the time when you got a bunch of wrenches, you got to kind of lay them out. This would fill up an entire large drawer if you just pulled out the wrenches and just laid them down as they are. With this, you got all these wrenches and you got this wrench holder. Normally you would have to pay extra for something like this to keep all your wrenches organized and to keep them nice and compact. So this is a very cool kit. So we better take a look at our biggest sizes. Looks like we got a 3/4 for the standard and it goes up to an 18 on the metric. But what's really cool about this set is we actually got stubbies. And I find that I often use the stubby wrenches more than I use the regular length wrenches just because you can fit these in much tighter areas. You're gonna get more torque with those long wrenches, but with these things, like you can just whip these things around nice and quick and you have to worry about them knocking into anything. So these are awesome wrenches. So it looks like a standard thickness, so you can fit these into tight areas, but you can still get a good grab onto some nuts and bolts. And we are at 12 point on the open end. You can see it is labeled on the top and the bottom. It says WORKPRO, and if we flip it over, it is chrome vanadium. On the metric, the largest size stubby is a 15, and that goes down to a 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So no skips between a 10 and a 15, and then we got a 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, half, 9/16, and then 5/8. So also no skips on the standard from a 5/16 to a 5/8. And up here, it looks like you go even smaller. So we do actually have a 6 here. And that's borderline a stubby anyway, so that's kind of cool. So 6, 7, 8, 9. So we could actually say we got it from a 6 to a 15. 10, skipping the 11 goes to the 12. 11 is pretty uncommon anyway. 13, skips the 14 goes to the 15. Skips 16 goes to 17. And then 18. Then for the SAE, it starts with a 1/4, 5/16, 11/32, 3/8, 7/16, half, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, and then the 3/4. So no skips on the large size for the SAE. And I just realized this is actually hinged, so this wasn't supposed to pop out. There we go. So it's actually got a snap on the left side so you can make sure everything's contained, which is pretty cool because that means you can grab it by this handle and you can walk the whole thing right out to your job site. That's pretty cool. Yeah, these are very nice wrenches. Very handy having something small like this so you can just easily manipulate.